Give me permission, Momo.
You have the permission. I gave you. I gave you already. You are the host now.
Okay. See. One more thing you do here.
Mhm.
See there inside that you have NAT is there, right? You can go there
What?
in Qpatrix. Follow up me. Follow up me.
Okay.
Qpatrix. In the Qpatrix, you have network is there, right? Options you will open. Network is there.
Okay.
Understood? Go in the
Yeah.
network part.
Yeah.
By default, it is host only
Yeah.
adapter.
It is. I have to make not hosting.
NAT. Make it as NAT.
Yes,
Clear?
I did it already.
Oh,
I make not hosting. I did.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, I
Fine.
did. Okay.
Okay. I'm starting here. What we will do?
I'm taking it one
Yeah.
more time.
For follow me.
Net, it is not network. I did.
See. This is Qpatrix. Okay. What you will do? NAT is
No,
there.
I'm telling you, I did it already.
Okay. Okay. Not an issue. Okay. Fine. Come on the Kali. Open the Kali. On the Kali.
I have to open Kali.
Open the Kali.
Can you give me record?
Okay. I have given you already, Momo. See,
Okay.
already I have given you permission. This is
Okay.
this one is for our enumeration and exploitation. This is our enumeration and exploitation. Okay.
Okay.
Check the vulnerability. Let's come. We will see the lab. Let it be open it. I open my Kali. Follow up the steps. Okay. Log in
Okay.
it. Open the CLI here.
Hmm?
Open the CLI. Kali CLI.
Okay. Okay.
Check it here. The interfaces inside my Kali, how many interfaces they have given. So I will do if config, if I'll be give inside the if config, it is giving me Ethernet 0, and that Ethernet 0 is going to connect with my uh, Qpatrix. Understood? Vulnerable enumeration device. With that, it is connected. Are you getting my point? Ethernet 0 is going to connect with my Qpatrix. And if you have to
Okay.
check the network, see here, that network is showing you my network is from 192.168.137.0 network. You understood my point?
Okay.
So with the help of
Mm-hmm.
this network, I'm going to connect with internet,
Okay.
Qpatrix. Clear? So what you have to do here, uh,
Mm-hmm.
I will check, right, in the Ethernet 0, like
Mm-hmm.
how many networks, like see here, I have in my VM, I have Metasploits, I have Qpatrix 2, I have
Mm-hmm.
Qpatrix 3 is there, I have UNL is
Mm-hmm.
there, I have VMware ESXi is there, and Kubernetes. These are the virtuals we have operating and machines are there, which is installed. I installed there. Understood my point? So I want to check like how many in the net discover the networks. I want to check the networks. Like understood. So what I will do here, I will give the command as net. Write the command here. Net discover. Okay. And I have Ethernet 0. According to you, if you have the Ethernet 1, you should use the Ethernet 1. If you have the Ethernet 2, according to you, whatever the Internet interfaces they have given to you, you should call inside that. Okay. So only I have the one interface, that physical interface, that is my Ethernet 0. So I will use ETH0 here, and I will start to discover. It will show you the MAC addresses and see what is coming. It is going to enumerate. What is the enumeration? Enumerating it is scanning, complete the network of 192.168. That's complete network is going to scan. You understood? Are you getting here? See here.
Okay.
Clear, no? So here I am getting this one. Clear? That is from 192.168. 0 means /16 up to your 32. It will check. Complete the network. Clear? Right. So see
But
what
for
it
me, it is not showing anything.
let it be enumerate. Let it be enumerate. Have you given their NAT? Have you used NAT there?
Yeah, I did not. Can you make me as host? I will show you.
See, it is installed the machines inside the VMware. I have the network is 1.2.254, and let it be enumerate. Let it be enumerate. Okay.
Can you see? Can you see this one?
Yeah, I'm getting it. It's not scanning. Why? Okay, do
See?
one thing. Yeah. Wait a minute. What you do?
Now you can see that.
What you do? You should go on the machine on the Oracle. It is you have installed inside the Oracle, right? So what you do?
Yes.
You should, yeah. You go inside the machine at the installation time where it is. Come on the machine.
This one.
Yeah, it is a scanning, right? It is a scanning. You'll find your 172. First it is scan the 192 network, then after it's reached on the 172. It's scanning. Let it be scanned. It will take time. Understood? It starts from the 192, then after it will come on the 172. Are you
No,
getting my
but
points?
see this one.
Hmm.
When I'll show you like my IP address. See, it is like
Yeah.
a 10.
Hmm.
It is 10.0.2.15.
Correct. Let it be do. It will scan completely. First it's come on the 192, then after it reach on the 172, because your network is belongs from the 127, that is the loop back, and other is your 10.0. You understood my point? So let it be scanned, because what it is showing, it is doing sal. If you come on the sal number one,
It's doing class B for the moment. Okay.
completely. You understood? So it will take
Okay.
time to scan the complete machine. Clear? It will take time to
Okay.
scan the complete machine with your all networks. Like you have the 10.0, you have the 172, you have the 192, whatever the networks is there, it will be scanned completely. Then after it will come to giving you that's your VMs exploit your networks completely. Understood?
Okay.
Clear? So just come on that. Give me the permission. I'll be show you the lab here. Fine.
Yeah, you are the host now.
Just hold a minute. Momo. Yeah, see here. Mm, this is here. So what it is doing, I got the three networks here. You will find one network 192.1.1 is there, other is .2, it is showing me, and then after the range it is showing me 254. Understood? So what I will do, I will come on here. I didn't start this one because of that only it is not showing me the Cubeprefix level 1, that's IP. Clear my point? It's not shown
Okay.
me. So what I will do, I have to start this one. I started here. Let's come on that on our Kali and see only you got that 132 is shown. When I start my Cubeprefix, it is replicate the other network that is from the 192, 168, 168, 137 network. You got when I started Cubeprefix. Are you getting
Yes,
the
yes.
points here? So on the Ethernet one is going to connect with this all, and this is all belongs to my NAT. Okay, this all belongs to my NAT. If you want to check
And
NAT,
sir,
NAT network, and NAT is
yeah.
our NAT 8. Wait a minute, NAT 8. If you want to see this part, what you will do, come here, and you will check. See 192, 168, 137, right? What you will do here, you should come inside that, and if you want to check NAT is from, why we'll use NAT, because I want to direct connect with my internet. You understood my point? So what you do here, you should come on the Ethernet, and then after go on the adapters option, change the adapter sharing option. Then after, just hold a minute. Here you should come. You should come here. VMNet 8 is there, right? Come here. Details. What is coming? 192, 168, 137. You understood my point? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
By default, always remember NAT 8 is belongs to my NAT, and the host for host will use the VMNet 1. Clear my point? Understood?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
रात में जानती है, रात में 500-700 रुपए का हम तो ऑटो करके हम सेंड हो जाते थे बोली। चलिए साले को मिर्जापुर हम आएंगे जीजाजी के साथ, अब भोले बाबा का दर्शन करके आएंगे। Clear, right? So what we will do, you got here 132. Understood?
Okay.
So what I will do, 132 is there. I want to check my ports. See, write the command. The next command, what I will do here, I want to check the ports. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I want to check. I will use the nmap. Okay. Nmap enumeration here. Nmap here I will use, and I want to check the ports. I want to check the ports for that network. Understood? That why I'll
Mm-hmm.
be used. I will check the ports for my what? Uh, uh, like what are the open ports? What are the open source inside for that network is available? Understood? Like operating system, everything I will go and I will check. So we have the best examples is Nmap is there. With the help of Nmap, I will go to check that our your vulnerability for that host. You understood my point? So this is
Okay.
what I will do. This is belongs to my Cubeprefix level 1. Understood? For that, what I
Mm-hmm.
will do, let's come here. Let's come and we will do this part. So let me come on that and I will show you here. So I will open the other root here. I open here. Inside that, what I will do, I will write the command as nmap here. Then after P ports scanning, Understood?
Mhm.
P, P small p, P,
Mhm.
then after A, then after my network is 192.168.137, correct, no? Dot, what, 132, I think, supposed to, let me check once. 137.132, okay, dot 132, right? Let me be scan, and it will give you the details about complete details. Understood?
Mhm.
So first, what you will do for the enumeration, for the checking the vulnerability, you have to check the open ports or open, what is the weak point inside that. Understood or not? Right.
Mhm.
That is the
Mhm.
we have done on the first unit. Remember, no? In the techniques, ethical hackers techniques and all, I explained on that. So you have
Mhm.
to check this all. So let it be scanned, and it will give you the information. Understood? So it will
Okay.
give you the information about SSH version. It will give you about like whatever the ports is available, like HTTP, HTTPS. Understood or not? What is the nick is
Okay.
there? Let it be see for that particular host.
For me, it is taking a lot of time.
Yeah, it will take time because it is enumerate the complete your network host. Understood?
No,
So
the first one only, Net Discover.
oh, net discover. Okay, because it is reaching, it is coming on the 10 network. Are you getting my points? You have to start
Mhm.
from 192, then after 172, whatever the available networks inside your VM or your virtual
Mhm.
box, it will complete scan. Because of that only it is taking time.
Okay. I found one now.
It came on the 10 network.
10.0.2.2. It
Let
just
it be,
got now.
let it be go, let it be go.
Okay. So what it will found? It will found directly on the network,
It
or
will
what it?
it will be scan the complete network. Then after it will show you which is open there. Like I open the Kpatrix right now. See here, I have so many like that machines is
What
here. Hmm.
sir? What it will show actually?
It is showing me the which is available source is available with that. It is show
So
me
it will
if
show
you
you
net
the
disco of
available IP address. The
available
available.
IP address. Wait a minute. Available IP address for the particular what particular for the just a minute. Uh, wait a minute. Let me remove it. Where the eraser is there. Yeah. For the particular machine, oh, machine which is inside NAT, which is inside NAT. Are you getting my point? Which is inside
No.
NAT.
So if I got it, huh?
Hmm. So how you will
Let,
go?
let discover command
Hmm.
use to
Hmm.
discover all the live host, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, and that belongs to NAT only because I am
Okay.
using for NAT. Clear?
Okay.
Understood, no? So let me come here. My Kali, and you got here. See, I got here. What is available? It is showing me address for 132. You will find. See, it is showing me address for 132. Right. And what are the availables? We have the particular ports and everything. It will show you. Just come on that up, up, up. See here. It is showing me the signatures. Right. See here. 22 SSH. Right, for this particular host. These are the signatures is available. They are using the port number 84 TCP HTTP Apache server. They are using Unix platform. Understood? We will check. This will be show me. If I'll be do the scan, if I'll be do the attack, check the attack and get the information about this vulnerable machine, it will show me this is the Apache. Remember this point, okay? And this is belongs to Unix. Clear? Then after what you are getting HTTP inside that C Apache is there. 111 is for CRPC bind. NetBIOS 139.443 HTTPS. You understood? Are you getting this all? So this give me the complete information. If it will come down here, let it become down. Let me check. Come down, come down. See here. QPatrix, NetBIOS. QPatrix is there. Understood. So this is giving me, yeah, SMB, Samba, and this all information it will show you. Okay. Yeah. Understood now? Here. Operating system details. Are you getting Linux 2.4.9 to 2.4.18? Are you getting? Understood now?
Yes.
So this is the complete information. It will give it to me. Clear my point?
Okay.
So with the help of this one, we can get this all. After that, what we will do, let me come. I'm going to open the Metasploits. Okay. So what I will do here, let me open the other Kali here. One more Kali I will open. And here what I will do, I will write here the command as mfs msf console. Msf, see, use tab, it will show you. Msf console is there, okay?
Okay.
Console enter. It will take time to open.
What is the use of MSF?
Metasploits. I'm going to open the Metasploits here. Okay. See. Here, Momo, you got your Metasploits, right? It is showing you the version of the Metasploits, right? Are you getting?
No, wait.
It will take
MSF.
time.
I will do also. I also will do. Mine is not coming. When I type MSF, it's not coming. Command not found.
MSF console, it is not there.
No. Command not found. They're telling me.
If you use the tab, with the help of tab, it is coming or not. Let's check once again. This one.
Yes, it's loading now.
Yeah, it will load.
I was typing MSF only, but it was
No.
not coming.
MSF console is there, right, for the Metasploits.
No, because like when you type MSF, you got all those.
MSF, then after tab, you use tab. After that, what is belongs to MSF, this will be show you inside
Okay.
your, like in the Cisco also we will use question mark. Remember, with the help of systo, like if we want to use IP address, then after if I'll be give the question mark, whatever the possibilities is there, it will open the complete possibilities. Same thing is in the here also. If you'll use the tab, with the help of tab, it will what is the possibilities. If it is there inside your Kali, it will open that complete possibilities. Clear?
Okay, it is
So
MSF5.
yeah, it's open.
Okay. Yes, it's open. Mine is like different. Okay, yeah, it's open.
Okay, fine. What you'll do here? Let's come here, and you have to check like this way. Come here, and I will go and I will check the my version SMB version that is also open there. Okay, so we will try to check the vulnerability with our SMB version. So what I will do, use auxiliary. This is the command auxiliary, use tab. Okay, then after scan, go to scanner, my SMB, see these things is come, SMB is there, see here is coming, SMB, SMB1, SMB2, right, like this way. Are you getting?
Okay.
If you use the tab after that SMB, with the help of SMB, these are the possibilities is there. Clear?
Okay.
So what you will do here, let's come on that, and fine. What I will do, SMB, after that use tab, okay, and I need to check the SMB version. So SMB, it will show me SMB, use here like this way, version is there, version, okay, enter it. You are inside the version, you are going to inside the auxiliary of your SMB version. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
Write this one, then after
You know, I think mine is okay. It's showing me more detail than yours actually.
yeah, no issue with that. You should be happy, you are getting more you are getting more facility inside that, but
Yeah.
that is not a problem. Okay, maybe your updated is there or the advanced version. Understood?
Okay.
So what you will do, after reaching there, I want to check set
Okay, I'm checking the version now.
set, see here, go with the commands what I'm giving, set r hosts.
No, I'm checking the version for the moment.
Okay, our host is with my 192.168.137.132 137.132. What I will do, 192.168.137.32 I will use. I'm inside this host. Are you getting? Go with that. What are the commands I'm using? Go with that.
Okay, wait. Okay, you said after the version.
After the version, see here. This is the complete details about the my command. So what is the command details is there? Auxiliary. See here, what you'll do, I use the command as it is. Use auxiliary scanner SMB. Okay, and then after SMB version, I need this one for check
Yes, I
the
just did version now.
vulnerability.
Okay, after the version, you put SE.
Set our hosts, and what is the network, which network I'm going to scan, that network I'm going inside that network, that host. Understood? Not network, that host. 132 is there, right? I use for enumeration 132, that is belongs to my.
Okay, 132 is the is your IP address right now, right?
Yeah, this is for my Kpatrix level 1 IP address, right? Kpatrix host network address. Understood?
Okay, I'm doing set RH. See. Yes. So my IP address is 10 dot 0 10 dot 0 dot 2 dot 15. Okay.
That host, okay, our host is this one. Then after I'm going to check, you should run, and it will give you the information about your SMB, which SMB version is running inside that. Understood? Like this way you should check. So what I will do, run. Clear? Enter it.
Okay.
See here, I'm getting 139 is there, right? See here, I'm getting 139, which is the SMB version, which you should check here. Host could not be identified, SMB 2.2. Yeah, this version is the vulnerability. With the help of this version, I will check on the internet SMB this. Then after I will copy paste the programs here. Then after I will get inside my Qupatrix. You understood? Are you getting my point? What I'm doing,
Mm,
I open. Hold a minute. I open 139. 139 is
yeah.
the. Wait a minute. On 139,
Mm-hmm.
vulnerability is there.
Mm-hmm.
That vulnerability is for SMB 2.2.1a.
What
2.2.
is that? What is that Samba 2.2.1?
This is the Unix platform. SMB Samba is, you can say it's a language, understood, which is not there. Are you getting my
Mm-hmm.
point? So if I'll be
Okay.
give this one, this will be provide me the vulnerability. Understood?
Okay.
Are you getting? So with the help
Okay.
of this vulnerability, I will reach to my Qupatrix. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Understood? This is not available. So this is my C. It is telling you host could not be identified. This one. Understood? This is the vulnerability. So with the help of this one, I can reach here. So what I will do, just see here. See, I will open my Chrome or Brave browser. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
And what I will do, see, I will open the other tab, and I will come here and see here. This is my SMB this version. I will copy it. Okay.
Uh,
This is wait.
so Okay.
Okay, what I will do, see, I will copy this Samba here. Okay, and I will go on the net and I will check the programs. Okay, this one here, copy the selection, come on the Chrome, paste it. Okay, and enter it. See here, you are getting this one, Linux BST. Understood? Remote code execution. You are getting here this one.
Mhm.
What you will do, you should open this one. Exploits is showing, right? It's written here the exploits. Are you getting? So I have to exploit this all. So
Sir,
what I will do,
can you come back, please?
Samba 2.2.8.
Okay.
Hey, I shown you, no, 2.2.1 to 2.2.8. You remember? See here, Linux. I shown you here. Hold a minute. SMB Samba, SMB version. See inside that. Just a minute. Just inside that, come here, and SMB versions it will show you. Samba version.
It is there. It is there.
Yeah, this one is there. Okay, so I will come here and I will open this one. If you'll be open this one, what you will do, see here, this is the complete information is there. Okay, see, this is the programming language. Last class, in the last, yeah,
C programming.
yeah, see, this is the programming SMB. It's written here. Okay, what I will do, I will copy it. So what I will do here, click on that view row. Okay, view row. Understood? This in the row. And what I will do, control all, use control all and control C, copy it. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
after that, what you will do,
Mm-hmm.
you should come here, here, and after that, what you will do, not in that place, inside your meta exploits, because meta exploits will help you to check the vulnerability. You are inside that. Okay, scanning part, and after that, here, what you will do,
Mm-hmm.
paste it, paste on the clipboard.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute, just a minute, paste selection, paste. Wait a minute.
We have to paste this selection.
Yeah, paste selection, paste selection.
What happened?
Wait. Control C. Just wait a minute. What I will do?
Mm-hmm.
1 minute. Okay. Wait a minute. I have to create a directory. Okay. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
It is not taking. Sorry. Control C. Control C. Let me open other terminal. I open other terminal. Okay. What you will do? You should write here the command as.
MSF command.
No, not in the MSF. You have to come here, create a directory. So how will be create a directory? I will come on the write the command as vi, then after the name of the folder I will use anything. I will use 10.c. Okay, see here. Oh, sorry. This command is copied there. Okay, if you are creating
Mm-hmm.
first time, you should use this one. Clear? Getting my
Which
point?
one?
Control C. Wait a minute. you write there vi space 10.c. Use this one. You are inside the folder of your name of the folder is 10.c. Write this command here. Write this one. Okay. Write
This
this.
command is for what?
This command I'm going to create a directory folder. Okay. If you want to check, right here fvi use tab. See here vi and then after use .c. It will be write this one. Okay, you are inside the this folder 10.c and copy paste there that I have written. Use this one. No, copied there from internet. You remembered? Understood? Here inside that you have to paste it. Are you getting my points?
Okay.
Okay, how will be paste? Same like go here and then after paste selection, paste on the clipboard. You understood? No?
Mm-hmm.
Clear my point?
Mm-hmm.
So do this part.
No, actually, I cannot do this part.
Wait a minute. See, I'm inside the 10.c. Inside that, I paste it. You remember, no? Samba, Windows, this all. I copied from there. Are you getting?
Okay.
And then after how you will be paste inside VI, that is the directory. I use that directory. Inside that, you should go and then paste it. Then paste it inside that. Clear?
Okay. No, what I want to tell you,
Hmm.
can you make me as a host? I will show you something.
Wait a minute. Hold a minute.
Can you see my screen now? Hello? Hello? Sir? Hello?
Yeah, I'm getting your screen. Right. I'm telling you what the command you have to use here.
Okay, see, when I took run,
Uh,
I,
open
I just got,
open the other CLI. Open the other CLI here.
okay, this one came now.
Okay, okay, I got you. I got you. Open the other CLI.
A new one?
New one. Yeah.
So you want me to type VI there, right?
Yeah. Here VI space. Yeah, you
This
got
is
it
my
there. Yeah, that is there, right? And then after VI dot, what is the name of this one you have given? 10 dot what?
10.c it is.
10.c you have given. Okay, what you do here? Paste it here. That what you copied there. No, just paste.
I didn't copy anything. That's what I'm telling you.
Go there. Go there. Open the Internet Explorer. Open your browser there. Open the browser. Firefox. Open it
It's coming.
and open the other tab. And here smb dot smb not okay samba. Copy from there. No, it came there, right? Samba something.
No, I didn't receive anything. See, that's
Okay,
what I'm
okay,
telling you. When I did my scan, it is scan one of one host, 100% complete.
okay.
So they didn't suggest me anything. So that's why I'm telling you now that I got some more IP there. If I
Hmm.
can, if I try that those.
No, what you do, once you close everything, then after you start. On the 2.4 is your 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. 2.4 is there. You use 2.4.
You want me to use 2.4?
2.4, yeah. 2.2, 10.2.2.0.4. 4. Enter it. Okay. You are inside the Run it.
You can see even 2.4 is coming like a 100% complete. So I think there is no
Check
vulnerability.
2.2. Check dot
Huh?
2.2. Check on 2.2.
No, 2.2 is there. 2.2 is there. I did 2.2. That's what showed this one. Now 2.3 now I have to try.
Okay.
Same also.
Okay.
For me, it is not showing any error.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. That is your scanning you have done. Hold a minute. I'm telling you. Do the nmap there for your 4. Do the nmap for 4 and all. Nmap p small p hyphen again space a caps a hyphen caps a for 10.0.0.4 you do 2.4. Enter it. It will take time. Okay, let it be do.
Because see, when I tell you that, see how I'm getting it.
Okay.
It's showing me the rank, and see, I
No,
don't know what
you
is
no,
this.
you have not written it. After scanner, you have to use SMB. Where is the SMB? You have not used SMB. If you use the SMB, then after you should reach on the particular SMB sections. After scanner, you
SMB
have
is there. SMB is there.
okay. No, no, no. When you use this one, no tab. I'm telling you, Momo. Listen me. What I'm using. See, wait a minute. You use go up. Yeah. See, wait a minute. Come down, down, little bit down. Yeah. What you check. Wait. Use auxiliary scanner. Then after you written only SM, right?
Mm-hmm.
Understood? Now SM. So use tab. So in the SM, it's showing you, right? It is there. SMB. SMB is coming. Yeah, it is coming here.
Yes, it's coming.
So it is coming to me also. No? There is no difference here. SMB person, SMB all explanation is coming. SMB
No,
one,
okay, okay,
SMB one, SMB, and that is the disclosure date is showing here. It should come on my that Scali also. That is the same.
okay, okay.
Understood? Nothing changes
Mm-hmm.
with them. I didn't get any changes. Here my points. Everything is same. Yeah. Let it we do the scan. These points come down. Come little bit down. Yeah. It is taking right now. Let it be do. Momo, just follow up my scan, okay? And then after complete this one. No issue is there. Understood? Nothing issue
Okay.
will come out. Okay, no? Just come here.
Mhm.
I'm here. Okay, come down.
What is this?
No, that's programs I copied here, right? No, that program is showing you.
But me, I didn't copy that code.
It's a Samba 2.2.1 is there, right? That programming language I shown you through the road. You should copy it.
Mm-hmm.
Understood, no? That is the exploit database. Through exploit database, you should copy it. Okay, and you have to save this one. What? How you will save? What you will do? Shift colon and WQ. WQ I have written here, not in caps, in small WQ. Enter it. You understood? It's saved there. Clear my point? Are you
Mm-hmm.
getting? After that, I want to check the vulnerability. What I will do? Dot 10 dot a on the root. I will go inside the root and I will check it. 10 dot a and enter it. So it is showing me no such directory or file. 10 dot c is there right now. I am using checking on 10 dot a. 10 dot c. Wait a minute. vi dot c. Vi. Wait a minute. Vi 10 dot c. I will come on here. Okay. Then after ccc. See, I will come on that and I will check it's WQ. What I will do? GCC 10.c. I want to check the operating system. 0. Okay. Then let it be enumerated. Okay. I compiled it with the help of GCC. You should compile. Are you getting my point? Like you
Okay.
use the C programming, no, you need to execute this one. So how we will execute with the help of GCC? Understood now? After that,
Mm-hmm.
I compiled this one, and then after I want to check with the help
Okay.
of root. So what I will do dot 10. I will inside here. See, this is showing me if I will use the B, that is the brute force. This will be the brute
Mm-hmm.
force.
Mm-hmm.
Then after, see, this is all platform inside that, and it will show me the complete work information. So what I will do, I will do here. I will write the command as 10 B. Okay. Then after, it will be used a tab. After that tab, see what is coming. See here, you are getting information 10.c. That list you remember, I created a list here, hi.txt. You remember in last
Mm-hmm.
your last security plus high text and all doc
Mm-hmm.
text is there. Saurabh some files with the help of Saurabh.txt something I created. Hello.txt. You remember no? How to create the text files and all. So inside
Mm-hmm.
that, I told you that paint.v, that v I told you, vi I have created, that is the files. Okay, inside that, I want to execute this one already with the help of this one, this v, come up, this GCC. This is the compiler. You understood my point? Are you
Mm-hmm.
getting? After that, what I want to do, 10.v, here, I will use 0, 0, Then after for home, for my the IP address. I want to check the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.137.132. Correct now, right? Let me check. Right, 132. See here, I got with the brute force. 0 is for your brute force. Understood? Unix on the Unix platform, 0 is for execution. This one, and I want open this course. I am inside your Patrick's level 1. Understood? If I want to check here, I will write here. I will see here. I will write here. Patrick's level 1. Let me write Patrick's dot level 1 enter it. Okay. Okay, host name. Let me check your host name. What is the host name here? Host name. It will show me the host name. See here, host name is showing Patrick's level 1. Are you getting?
Mhm.
Through here,
Mhm.
I evaluate or I got information about the Patrick's level 1. You understood? Host name is my this. Are you getting?
Okay.
Understood?
I didn't really get it, so really.
So what I am doing, see, no, you are not using the commands properly. You are not following the commands. What I did, see, first what I do, just listen to me. First steps, what I do, I check the Ethernet and all, which is connected with my NAT. Correct or not? Understood? I
Mm-hmm.
told you NAT 8. So for Qupatrix, I use NAT 8. With the help of this one, I got connectivity with my Kali. Understood? Clear.
Mm-hmm.
After that, what I did, I checked the availability for the IPs, which is available for, which is provided by the Qupatrix on the net 8. That IP I will get. On that IP, I will go and I will check what ports scanning right now with the Nmap. Correct or not? I did the
Mm-hmm.
Nmap scanning. So in the Nmap scanning, if I provided the Nmap scanning, there is so many ports is available. What are the ports is available? We have HTTP is there. We have SSH is there. We have SMB version. NetBIOS is there. We have SMB version is there. Understood? Are you getting? So many ports is available. So what I did, I want to check the SMB there. Clear. So what I did, I come here, I go to the Metasploit. I open the Metasploit. Understood? Inside the Metasploit, what I did, with the help of particular, I created a one directory files. If I checked, I got in the Metasploits, these are the availabilities there. With the help of this one, we can get the vulnerability. This is for vulnerability. Qupatrix has the vulnerability, vulnerable machine. You understood my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you getting or not? Are you getting or not my points?
Yes. Yes.
If you are not getting, I will explain you. That's what I did. The complete scenario I am giving it to you. Understood? Clear.
Mm-hmm.
After that, what you do after completing this one, you have to make a directory, right? For SMB, whatever the like leakage is there or vulnerability is there, you should go there and then after you copy this one. So I have the vulnerability. I checked here. The vulnerability is my this one. See here, exploit. It is showing you. You should come here back and what it is telling you, exploit database. So what is the
Mm-hmm.
exploit is there, you should check and then after you should copy it. So I use this one, okay, in the row format and I copied this complete. Are you getting?
Okay.
After that, what
Okay.
I did, this is the programming language. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is by default or like they have created. You will get easily on the internet. And then after you copy, this is the database. With the help of this database, I exploit what the vulnerable machine, and with the help
Mm-hmm.
of this one. Okay, see here. Understood, no? After that, what I did, I created the file. Inside that file, I given the commands. That's what I copied there. After that, what I checked, I went inside that. See here, what I did. See here. This is the version, no, 10.c. I went inside the root. This is the root, right? If you dot slash, this is the root. You are inside the root, right? No. So after that, what you will do, you should go there. I came here. GCC is the compiler. The compile, because we are using the, see, inside that VI you copied, right? No. Listen
Sir?
listen me 1 minute. See, 10.c, your doubt will be clear. 10.c, inside that you have paste what? Your exploits program. Correct or not?
Okay.
Exploit. Hmm? Exploit program. यहाँ पे क्यों बुलाइएगा? Exploits program से नहीं है. Exploits programs. Exploits program. हम लोग से नहीं है दीदी माँ. Just a minute, one minute. Hello. See here. See here. What we will do? GCC is the compiler. GCC is the compiler. With the help of this compiler, we execute the vulnerability. I use the vulnerability. See here, 10.c. Inside that folder, I paste it. I paste it. Wait a minute. I got it here that GCC is the compiler. GCC is the compiler. GCC is the compiler. With the help of this compiler, I execute. I checked it the vulnerability. Understood? So if I'll be use 0, 0 is for Linux. 0 is for Linux. Understood? So this is Metasploits we are using inside that. See here, SMB, this one. See here, are you getting? B brute force, 0 is for Linux, 1 is for BSD, 2 is for OpenSD, prior, OpenDB, this all. You understood my point? So what I did, I used 0. Understood? Inside that command GCC. No, not here. Not here. I should come here, and then after you will get like this way. Just hold a minute. See here, 0. See here, I came here 10B, then after 0 for execution. Understood? And for whom? This is the host IP address. Clear my point? You got it?
Yes, but
Right.
sir, come up. I want to tell you something actually.
Tell me.
No, you can come up. What is the meaning of that VI10?
VI, that's VI created. No, not don't go with 10. VI, I am creating a directory.
But to
I
create
am
it,
creating.
we have to use mkdir, right?
MK directory also you can use, but here in the programming language, if I'll be paste, I will use the VI. I'll be use the VI. Understood? See, I shown you, na, with the help of MK directory, I created, you remember what hi.txt, you remember or not? It is showing here, no, VI. I open this one. Mohammed, try to understand here. See, last class, I created hi hello.txt with the help of MK directory. vijay.txt. He was my student. Understood? See? Are you getting here? See here.
Mm-hmm.
See here. Hello.txt with the help of this one. So if I want to check here the directory files, it is showing me the same. Showing me, na?
Okay.
Understood? Are you getting
Okay.
this all? Understood? And inside that 10.c is also save. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
You got it? This complete information inside that. Particular information you want to create, you can go in the MK directory also. You can.
Okay. You can scroll down now.
See here. Then after I check, this is the particular host 137.132, and then after it is showing me. I use the brute force. Then after host is running on Samba and it is worked successfully. Successfully it is showing me, and this is the Qupatrix. All information is coming. Today's date is changed. Otherwise it will show me the date and time, everything here. And I want to check the host name. It is showing me Qupatrix level 1 because I am inside. Through Kali, I create a vulnerability on Qupatrix. Understood? Understood?
Okay. I need to
Okay, no.
practice this one.
Yeah, it's required practice. Okay, no. Do it now. If you didn't get, again, call me in evening. Understood? I'm
No,
available.
I cannot do it now. You know why?
Why?
You are getting that program. I'm not getting that Samba program.
You try once again. Okay, you shut down complete your Kali yesterday also, or like in the other classes. Sometimes it is happened. You understood? Sometimes it is not directly fetch with your host. It is not fetching with your host. Sometimes it happened. Okay, so you should try once again. What you do, you just shut down, and again you open your this virtual box. It will work. Clear?
Okay.
You try once again and call me in evening.
Okay.
Okay, if you didn't get, call me evening. Fine. I will show on the vulnerability, this vulnerability with your Qupatrix level 2 also. Level 2.
Okay.
Okay. Fine, man. Take care. Try this one. If you didn't get, call me in evening.
Okay.